Good day, class. You are warmly welcome to today's lesson.
Good day, sir. Thank you.
In our previous lesson we had our introduction to biology and discussed its definition. In today's lesson would dive into the branches of biology. Living organisms can largely be grouped into three main groups. Based on that we have the three main branches of biology. Now in an onion ring discuss and share with the class the three main branches of biology.
Wow, that's very exciting. It's very good to share ideas with my colleagues.
Sir, from our discussion we came up with animals, plants and microorganisms.
Yes, that's very good. The study of animals is referred to as zoology, and the study of plants is botany, while the study of microorganisms is termed microbiology.
Well, that's so interesting. We would love to know the other branches of biology.
Yes, it is good you all feel interested in knowing some of the other fields of biology. But that would be an individualized, explorative and research-based activity. Now explore the other fields of biology and indicate the area of study. Yes, Sammy.
Entomology, study of insects. Genetics, the study of heredity, that is the passing down of parental characteristics to offsprings.
Yes, very good. Wonderful. Let's clap for him.
Bacteriology, the study of bacteria.
Virology, the study of virus. Fungology, the study of fungi.
Not that right. The study of fungi is rather mycology. This is so because the Greek word for fungi is mux, thereby the study is referred to as mycology.
Thank you very much, sir, for providing such insight.
You are welcome. So please always take a very good note of that.
Cytology, it deals with the study of cells.
Histology, the study of history.
No, please, that's not so. Histology is the study of tissues.
Thanks very much for the correction.
Ideally, the study of history is rather historiology. But since the Greek word for tissues is histos, the study of tissues is rather termed histology.
Biochemistry, the study of chemical processes in living organisms. Pathology, the study of diseases and its mechanism. Taxonomy, the study of classification of living things.
That's great. Let's add some more branches of biology to what you have already said.
Paleontology, the study of fossils, that is the decaying remains of organisms. Embryology, the study of the development of embryo in organisms. Pomology, the study of fruits.
That's spectacular. We also have anatomy, the study of the form, parts and internal and external structures of organisms. Morphology is the study of the general form and structures of organisms that can be seen externally. While physiology is the scientific study of the functions of the structures found in an organism. Parasitology is the study of parasites. Ornithology is the study of birds, and herpetology, the study of amphibians and reptiles. Ecology is the study of ecosystem, thus the environment and the interactions that occur within it and the organisms. These and many other areas of study are the branches of biology.
Wow, then biology is indeed a broad field of study than I first imagined.
Yes, very diverse. As your reading assignment, search from the internet or the library and provide additional 5 other fields of study in biology that we did not mention today. Bye.